Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about cost of goods, your average cost of goods and what that means for your profit margins. I've literally just filmed a video where I have done the breakdown of my monthly turnover for the month of March. I'm behind on some of my accounting. I know where I'm at for April, but I hadn't done March because I'd been away. If you want to see that video, let me know. I need some support. I am debating, and you'll see when the video gets released as to whether I'm going to put it out or not. So if you would like to see the actual numbers, some honest numbers, then get in the comments and let me know, basically. Okay, so let's talk about it then. A little breakout from the March figures. So my average sale price in March was £57.95p. My average cost of goods in March was £24.54, which meant that my average profit was £33.41. So average sale price, 58 quid, let's call it. Average profit, £33. I'm making this video to sort of show you that actually there is a clear and viable opportunity in relation to reselling once you understand your niche. And it's your niche, it's not mine, it's not what I'm doing, and it's not what someone else is doing. It's very specific to you, your circumstances, your specialist knowledge, your area of unfair advantage, right? I'm seeing a lot of people out there, and bless them, like they're trying, but you know, they're going, oh, I made £41 on Vinted this week. And I'm like, okay, like that's great. Like, obviously that's great to just getting started, but I'm trying to sort of lift the lid a little bit and show you actually what's possible. Yeah, in this other video I've done, I have literally made a full breakdown of the figures, and haven't looked at it. I mean, it's considerably more than £41 in a week, but I'm looking at it from a perspective of going, not sure if I want to release it. And actually, I'm still a little bit disappointed in those figures, frankly. And so, yeah, you can get to this. This is possible to achieve these kind of sales figures, to achieve that kind of average profit. You know, we did 75 sales in the month of March. Do the maths on that. It's a decent sum of money. And so, yeah, what I'm just here to say in a very loose and broken way. I just sold something now. I'm just here to say in a very loose and broken way that there is an opportunity out here, and you just need some enlightenment. Shall we go with enlightenment? Yeah, you just need enlightening. Oh, I can't put that on the internet. If you can see it, you can believe it, right? And if you can believe it, you can learn how to do it. And once you've learned how to do it, you just get on and do it. And then you can change your personal circumstances, I guess, is what I'm trying to say in a desperate, mad way. I think I've probably had too much caffeine today because it's all gone to shit. So yeah, this is another editing nightmare for me to try and get out in a reasonable period of time. Hopefully, there's something in there that's informative for you. I'm sure you're going to have some questions, and if you want to see that video, you're going to have to let me know in the comments. I really do need some persuasion to release that one. So yeah, if you like this sort of stuff, a garbled man on the internet, I do this daily. So make sure you follow, and if you've got any questions, which you're almost certainly going to have questions after this mess, just drop them in the comments.